Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2012 Audi A7 Prestige, 71,000 miles only on it, just service, drives great. Body is really clean, interior is really clean. Do a quick walk around video here. There's navigation, backup camera, lane departure assist, 3.0 supercharged V6, all-wheel drive Quattro. Check out the interior here. A sunroof. Really fun to drive car. It's a beautiful interior on this. Love the brown in here. I'm gonna go ahead and crank her up. 71,524 miles only. Has a pop-up heads-up display, nav, backup camera. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can text us too, or email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche repair work done, we service them as well. Thanks for checking out this video.